Chapter 2, Inside the Mindsets. So this chapter is about what is inside the mindset, that means mechanisms of mindset. There are two meanings of ability. First is one, a fixed ability that needs to be proven. Second, changeable ability that can be developed through learning. So there are types of abilities like fixed ability and changeable ability. So there are meaning actually. So ability can be perceived in two different ways. So this is explained here. You have a choice of mindset that just belief, but they are something in your mind. So mindsets are beliefs in our mind, but they are something in our mind. That means mindsets can be chosen also. So there are just beliefs, but there are in your mind. Benjamin Barber was a sociologist. He said, "I divide world into learner and non-learners." Benjamin Barber was a sociologist, and he once said that I divide world into learners and non-learners. So that was his perception about learners and non-learners. So he said, "I will divide world in those." Now, infants stretch their skills daily. Babies don't worry about making mistakes and humiliating themselves. So, infants are always learning. They have a growth mindset, and they don't worry about making mistakes and humiliating themselves. So, that is about infants. So, they stretch their abilities. So, children with growth mindset want to make sure they succeed, but for children with growth mindset, success is about stretching themselves. So, children with growth mindsets, it is success is about stretching themselves and learning new things. So, that is success for them. Now, brain waves tell story. So, there are waves in brain. You can see the difference in people's brain waves. So, there are different brain waves for different people. People with fixed mindset were only interested when feedback reflected on their ability. So, they, the author, and she experienced an experiment in which people's brainwaves were being measured. People with fixed mindsets were only interested when feedback reflected on their ability. So that means uh, people having fixed mindset were tested with those brainwaves, and the feedback was only reflected only when their ability was tested. Their brainwaves showed them paying close attention when they were told whether their answers were right or wrong. So so uh, uh, people with fixed mindset were triggered. Their brainwave were triggered when their answers were right or wrong. But when they were presented with information that could help them to learn, there was no sign of interest. But when new information was given to them, which could help them to grow and learn, there was no change in brainwaves. So, what is your priority? So, this point is about priority. If you had to choose, which would it be? Loads of success and validation, or loads of challenges? So, what is your priority means what mindset we want to choose. So, uh, loads of success and validation, that means it defines fixed mindset, and there is lots of challenges which defines growth mindset. So, which mindset we should choose? People will also have to decide what kinds of relationship they want, ones that bolster their egos or one that challenges them to grow. That means this situation comes in relationship also, that ones that bolster their ego, that means ones that is according to them, that means that is not challenging to them, or good relationship, or a fixed relationship. fixed mindset kind of relationship, or there is a challenging relationship in which they are learning new things. So your what will you decide? That means what we have to choose. So we will discuss about that. Who is your ideal mate? We did put this question to young adults and hear what they told us. So what is your ideal mate? We asked young people. Now people with fixed mindset said an ideal mate would put them on pedestal, make them feel perfect, worship them. So ideal and fixed mindset people were saying they wanted more importance actually in a relationship, so make them feel perfect and worship them. So they wanted this kind of ideal mate. Now people with growth mindset think an ideal mate see their faults and help them to work on them, then challenge them, encourage them. So there were people with growth mindset, and they thought that an ideal mate uh, will see their faults and help them, then work on them and challenge them. So they were looking for an ideal partner. Now stretching beyond possible. Sometimes people with growth mindset stretch themselves so far that they do impossible things. That means uh, stretching beyond possible. That means sometimes these people with growth mindsets uh, can do impossible things also. There was a saying in 1960s that went becoming is better than being. The fixed mindset does not allow people the luxury of becoming. That means becoming is better than being. That means fixed so growth mindset have the luxury of becoming. That means we will be something tomorrow, so that process is more enjoyable than I am something. So being something is boring as compared to becoming something. So growth mindset here is allowing people the luxury of becoming. Now the test score is forever. So this point is about test score. Let us take a closer look at why in fixed mindset it is so crucial to be perfect right now. It is because one test or one evaluation can measure you forever. That means in fixed mindset it is so crucial to be perfect right now. It is because one test or one evaluation can measure you forever. So in fixed mindset, one bad evaluation or one bad test score, it can judge you forever or measure you forever. People with growth mindset know what it takes time for potential to flower. So people with growth mindset know that it takes time to flower. That means to grow. The self esteem movement encourages to help you confirm your superiority. That means self esteem confirms your superiority. That means uh, it is promoting the fixed mindset. Now, lurking behind the self-esteem of fixed mindset is a simple question. If you are somebody, what you are successful, then what you are when unsuccessful. So, some people are hiding behind these self-esteem of fixed mindset. So if you are so this question solves this problem. That means if you are somebody when you are successful, then what you are when you are unsuccessful. That means there is always chance of growth everywhere. So what you are when you are unsuccessful means there is always room for growth. So this question is solving it, that problem. Defining moments. Even in growth mindset, failure can be painful experience. So there are some defining moments that defines you. That means even in a growth mindset, failure can be a painful experience. it is also important to realize that even if people have fixed mindset, they are not always in that mindset. That means if people have a fixed mindset, they are not always in that mindset. There is something, somewhere they also try to grow. People can have different mindsets in different areas, so people can have a different opinions in different areas. There arises another question: when people fall, it is always their fault? That means by mistake also people can fall, or people can make mistakes also by without their fault also. So this is the second question. The answer is no. It is true that effort is crucial. No one can succeed for long without it. That means without effort, no one can succeed for long without it. But it is a certainty, not the thing. People have different resources and opportunities. For example, people with money have a safety net. That means there are some people who have a good financial background, so they have a safety net also. That means they can make a lot of mistakes and get covered. People with easy access to good education, people with a network of influential friends. That means people having a easy access to good education, they have a different, and they have a different kind of possibilities, and they have people within a network of influential friends. That means their friend circle also should be good, so it helps a lot. Growth mindset does allow people to love what they are doing. That means growth mindset is giving people freedom also. People with fixed mindset prefer effortless success. These may be people whose life goal is to win a Nobel Prize or become richest person and are looking for a constant validation. That means people with fixed mindset, they prefer effortless success. That means they don't want to grow, they want a Nobel Prize, or they get a validation, and they want to get recognized. Growth mindset is starting point for change, but people need to decide for themselves where their effort towards change would be most valuable. That means growth mindset is starting point for change. Means we are changing when we think about growth mindset, but people need to decide for themselves where their efforts towards change would be most valuable. That means their efforts should be noticed also, and they are valuable also. Now wonderful feature of growth mindset is you don't have to think you are already great at something to want to do it and to enjoy it doing it. That means this is also an important and wonderful feature. That means you don't have to think that you are already great. That means you should you are just enjoying that thing, and you are not thinking about anything. So that is great growth mindset. Next time you feel low, put yourself in growth mindset. Think about learning, challenges, and comfort and confronting obstacles. That means next time in your life when you feel low, that means you are feeling that you are struck by failure, or you are feeling sad, then think about growth mindset and think about learning and challenges. So that is what we should think about.